Hey guys, I'm Christine with Kimbop TV, and this is my last video from Columbus, Ohio in 2021. We're here to celebrate my best friend Yukemi's 40th birthday, but before this fancy affair, my husband Maddie and I checked out a few more places I think you'd like too. This is Easton Town Center, an indoor-outdoor shopping destination with about 1.7 million square feet of mixed-use space. More than 30 million visitors come through every year, and while I've been here once before, I'm checking out new areas with Maddie and realizing how big this place really is. We enjoy Mexican food for lunch, grab couples teas with this design at the Experience Columbus Visitor Center, and Maddie makes the mistake of taking me here to Restoration Hardware, where I fall in love with so many pieces of furniture and the endless array of chandeliers. I enjoy a glass of champagne at the rooftop restaurant. This has become my favorite spot in Columbus. I'd love to eat dinner here too, but we have to get back to kick off Yukemi's birthday at the Short North Arts District. Our dinner reservation is at Rooh, a progressive Indian restaurant. A small group of us meet and share a number of small and large plates. Here's a look at the menu, which explains better than I can of what we ate. The cocktails are also interesting. They're all created with a blend of unique Indian ingredients, spices, fresh shrubs, and artisanal spirits. After dinner, Maddie and I walk back to our Airbnb and are amazed at how normal and pre-COVID this part of Columbus looks and feels. He stops for another scoop of ice cream from United Dairy Farmers, and we get an early night's rest in anticipation of Yukemi's big day. It's Sunday, May 16th. Yukemi used to have birth months, never just a simple birthday. And for her 40th, she wanted to throw this elaborate brunch party to celebrate her milestone, but also treat her closest friends to an experience they won't soon forget. Guests from near and far made the time to be here to shower Yukemi with love and attention. Yukemi hired Black-owned, local small businesses, from catering to event planning to live music, to help them out, especially during COVID-19. And she chose this venue, the Kelton House, which is a historic Underground Railroad site. We got a tour of the facility and learned about its role in our country's past. We saw old photographs, visited various rooms, and appreciated how well preserved the spaces were. Back outside, I emceed our brunch, and several people shared funny and touching stories about our friend Yukemi to make her laugh and tear up. Our place settings were immaculate, as if we were at an upscale brunch in Paris, and we enjoyed a 5-course meal and topped that off with 2 desserts. Every guest was asked to submit a video message, so here's ours.
Happy birthday, Yukemi! We're so happy to celebrate this big day with you, and
Happy birthday.
love you.
After the party, we came back to Yukemi's house where Uncle Maddie could watch TV with Zachary, and we can eat even more, this time traditional Nigerian food. Then it was time to say goodbye, which is always my least favorite part of every trip. So that's how we spent our 5 days in Columbus this year. It was so nice to see our dear friend again in real life and be able to make new memories together that we can cherish for a lifetime. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video.